I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and computer. On the Oneplus, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. Accept the PC authorization dialog when it appears. On your computer, install the Android SDK platform tools or a standalone ADB package, then connect the phone with a USB cable. Once connected, run a DB devices to confirm a recognized device. This step is essential because ADB is the only reliable way to change the phone's effective screen resolution without root. Now you run the commands that change how the system reports its screen size. First, check the current settings with a DB shell WM size and a DB shell WM density. Then set the target resolution with a DB shell WM size width HX height. For example, a DB shell WM size 1080 x 1920. If UI elements scale oddly, adjust density with a DB shell WM density value to balance DPI and layout. Once done, apps will reflow to the new logical resolution. Finish by confirming the change. Visually inspect UI and run a DB shell WM size to verify the values. Note that WM changes are system level, but may revert on some firmware after a reboot. If so, repeat the commands or use a script on each boot. To undo any change instantly, run a DB shell WM size reset and a DB shell WM density reset. If your PC doesn't detect the phone, make sure USB debugging is still enabled. Accept the RSA prompt on the phone and reinstall or update the USB drivers on the computer as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.